viewers, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Kelly Ortiz and I have something spectacular in store for you. Let's take a virtual tour of the panoramic suite here on the Avalon Waterways Passion. Alright, let's start with the bed. The bed in the Avalon panoramic suites are by far my favorite feature in the entire cabin, and that's because, as you can see, not only are they plush and luxurious, some of the best that I've ever slept on the ocean or on the river, they also have a very unique design in that they face the outdoor area, allowing you to take in the views right from your bed. Now let's move into the comfortable seating area. Whether you want to relax with a book or you want to sit and take in the views with a glass of wine, this is a perfect space for you. I want to show you one of these features that Avalon puts into their rooms. It's those little things that add the extra special touch to each one of their suites. You can see that we have a table here. If you're sitting, it seems like it might be a little bit too high. No worries, this is set up right now so that you can enjoy a glass of wine or a cappuccino and take in the views. Maybe you want to sit on the couch, watch a little bit of TV. You can go ahead and lower that to your level. Just all of those perfect touches that Avalon puts into their suites. More special surprises await inside the luxurious bathrooms here on board the Avalon Waterways Passion. Come on in. First, I'd like to point out the premium amenities that are included in your room. They smell absolutely amazing. And please take note of the large sizes that you have to store all of your supplies in the room. As we know, a lot of times that can be a little bit challenging. Moving a little bit into something unique here is how they handle the towels in the room. As you can see, they have two different colors, brown and white, and this is so that you and your suite mate don't have to mix up towels. All you need to do is remember the color of your towel. Next, they have something, a little extra touch here that makes the bathroom smell extra fresh. No worries if this is not your cup of tea, just ask your stateroom steward to go ahead and take that out for you, and then you don't have to worry about that, but I assure you, you'll want it in the room. It smells great. Last, I'd like to show you the shower. This shower is really unique because it's so large. They've put it in as a corner shower so that you have plenty of space to do the chicken dance if you want, or wash your hair without hitting your elbows. And then in addition, you can see that it's very tall. So if you are a taller person, you have plenty of space to step into the shower, which we know can be an issue on a lot of cruises or river cruises. And again, we have those extra special luxury amenities right here in the shower as well. So no need to bring any with you. More touches, believe it or not, await in the closet. Let's take a look. First, you're gonna notice that you have that in-room safe that we all like to make sure that we have. You can keep your passports in there during the day. And of course, we always recommend that you have a paper copy of your passport. Next, you can have your laundry done as well. You just put all of your laundry in here, fill it out, and your laundry will be done within 24 hours. You'll also notice that Avalon greatly encourages dining in bed. It's highly encouraged. You can go ahead and fill out your breakfast in bed form, and your breakfast will be delivered to you. Shoehorn for those difficult to put on shoes. Love the addition of robes and slippers. And then one of my favorite things is that you don't have to worry about the upper deck being cold in the evenings. You can still take in the views. Just grab your blankets, bring them up, get a glass of wine, and enjoy the view. So that concludes our tour of the luxurious Avalon Waterways Passion Panoramic Suite Tour. Next stop is for you to contact Guru Travel to book your very own Avalon Waterways River Cruise. We look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.